Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I am back with another good one for you guys. This is the ultimate stuffed chicken breast recipe that you guys just have to make. This is so affordable. It is super juicy. It is so elegant guys. It tastes absolutely amazing. I want you guys to check out how juicy this chicken is, okay? Look at this right here. You can see the spinach and the mushrooms. When you press that down, you can see the juice that is running out of there. The chicken is so flavorful, guys. So let's jump right into this video without further ado. So here I have some spinach, some onion garlic powder, and some chicken bouillon. We will allow this to wilt down just like that, and then we will remove from pan. Then we will add our diced mushroom to the very pan, and I'm using baby bella mushrooms. I did guys also add some bell peppers, so I remove both from pan, place in a bowl. I'm adding some cream cheese, and I'm using the vegetable cream cheese and the jalapeno cream cheese. You can also use the regular cream cheese. All right, and we will make sure to mix everything in well until it is nice and creamy. Guys, it smells absolutely amazing. Perfect. Looks great. And we will go ahead and add some Parmesan. And I actually grate this myself, so it's really flavorful. It's fresh. It's just super delicious. And guys, you can also adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste also, okay? You know, everyone's taste buds are different. All right, so here I'm pounding out half of a chicken breast. So I sliced one chicken breast in half. So here for this recipe, I'm using 1.5 chicken breast. All right, you can make this for date nights. It is super delicious. Then we're going to add that filling right on top of the chicken after you would have actually pounded out, just like that. Now we'll go in and roll that up nice and tight all the way to the end. Then we will secure that in with a toothpick, just like that. Looks amazing. Then this is our Parmesan and breadcrumbs mixture. The ingredients, guys, will also be in the description box. Okay, so we make sure to mix that well. This is an absolute delicious crust we have here. So now what we'll do is take our chicken breast and flour it really well. All right, and I'm just using plain flour because the flavor within the chicken is very intense, so we don't want to over season, our chicken, then we'll lose the flavor. So after we would have had that in our egg wash, we're going to add this to the breadcrumbs and Parmesan mixture to give it that amazing texture on the exterior of the chicken. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. All right, then we will lightly fry this in a pan or sear it on both sides until it is nice and brown, just like that, for about 2 minutes on each side. We will do this for the rest of our chicken breast. And guys, this is super filling, great for date nights or just any occasion. So now I'm adding my marinara sauce in the bottom of my Pyrex dish, and I'm using the garlic, tomato, basil. Absolutely love that marinara sauce. Looks perfect. So now I'll go in and place the chicken right in the Pyrex dish, just like that. Then right on top of that chicken, I'll add some of the marinara sauce right on top. Now, if you want it saucy, you can add more sauce to it, but this is the way I like it. All right, just like that. Looks perfect. And then I'll go in with some cheese. And I'm using, again, Parmesan and cheddar. mix together. You can choose whatever cheese you like to put on this chicken right here. All right, and the amount of cheese. Looks great. I did spray a foil paper with some non-stick spray, and we're gonna cover this chicken and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until done, so all the juice can remain in the chicken. We do not want a dry chicken. All right, this looks perfect. Guys, this is super juicy. Oh my, I cannot emphasize enough how juicy this chicken and delicious this was. Trust me. All right, look at that. You can see the juice that's oozing out of that chicken. So please try this. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.